Hey girl, hey, it's Lil Kardashian and welcome back to my channel. You guys, I'm bringing you another hair review and it is by the brand UNICE. I really like UNICE hair and I'm gonna need somebody from their PR team, marketing, whatever it is to like put me on because I be rocking their hair. Like I just look so good in it. This is my 1 month update about this hair. I didn't let you guys know when I was first installing it or anything because this is probably my third or fourth time ordering from UNICE, my second time with their straight hair. And I love it. Like each time I love it. This hair does not tangle or shed excessively. I actually haven't had any problems with tangling at all. You know, around the nape of your neck is where it tangles the most. So that's the only place where I've had like the smallest amount of tangling. Um, Shedding, it really just sheds regularly. It doesn't shed excessively. I don't run my fingers through my hair and have any shedding or anything like that. Like, no. It's really, really soft and silky. Y'all, when you wet this hair, it feels like amazing. It feels amazing now, but it feels like even more amazing when you wash it. I didn't wash this hair, but of course I colored it. So when I was washing the dye out, I had to wash it. So technically, I guess I did wash it. But yeah, this hair feels really amazing. It's very flowy, you know, no stiff ponytails over here, girl, at all. I've put so many people onto this hair ever since I colored it this color. Like, yeah, you know, when it's black, it's cute or whatever, and it's all flowy. So people also want to know where you got your hair. But it's like once you add color to the equation and then the bundles start looking like even more scrumptious, people want to know where you got your hair. And I got it from UNICE. But the gag is, I got it from UNICE on Aliexpress. T, 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 T. Yeah. Oh, first of all, I have a closure as usual. And what closure, ladies? I have in 3 bundles and a closure. I got 24 inches for the first time. So let me just bring it to the front to show you guys how long it is. I am 5'2" for height reference. And me sitting right now and me bringing my hair to the front, the tips of my hair are touching my thighs. So it's pretty long. Well, the bundle lengths 18, 20, 22, and 24. My closure is an 18-inch closure. I did color this hair myself. If you guys would like to know how, just let me know. Yeah. But I used the L'Oreal highlights in the color magenta to achieve this color. I only paid, get ready for this, for 18, 20, 22, and 24, I only paid like $150, y'all, for 4 bundles, including the closure. Like, that was it. I didn't do the math because, I mean, I didn't really feel like it. But if you were to order an 18, 20, 22, and 24 from UNICE, it would be over $200. There's a lot of tips and tricks to, I don't want to say finesse the game, but basically finesse the game. If you download the AliExpress app instead of going through AliExpress on just like a regular browser, you'll save money because they give you a mobile deal for just using their app. And that's AliExpress, not just UNICE. AliExpress themselves give you so many coupons and percentages off with whatever you buy off their website. So that was one thing. Like, I got an extra percentage off because I was using their mobile app instead of aliexpress.com on just like a browser. Another thing was, I think UNICE themselves on AliExpress were having a deal where if you bought a bundle deal with a closure, you got a certain percentage off. Another thing was, like I said, AliExpress gives you deals. So if I spent over like $100, they gave me $3 off. It was just so much that went into taking my price down. Because I think the first time it was only like, I want to say 165, which is not bad at all. And then I paid 150. Like, girl. So yeah, I really love this hair. Like I said, I've had it installed for a month, so my closure is starting to push back a little bit. So it'll be time probably this weekend or next week to go. If I want this hair reinstalled, I will take it out and get it reinstalled and then, you know, reinstall the closure so we have no pushback, girl. So I could do that. Or I was also thinking, because every time I have straight long hair, the second time I get it installed, I don't like looking the same. So I always blunt cut it. But girl, this is 24 inches. I don't think I want to cut this into a blunt cut bob. I just really like this hair, like, and I will continue to purchase from UNICE because, like I said in my last hair review, I'm overpaying $400 and $300 for bundles. It's just too much freaking money for hair. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment on my videos, subscribe to my channel, watch my last videos, you know, do all of that. And yeah, I'll see you girls soon with a new one. Bye.